Hey there, new investors! Today, I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to swap XRP for Bitcoin. It's simpler than you might think. First up, you need to pick a cryptocurrency exchange that supports both XRP and Bitcoin. Popular options include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. If you don't have an account yet, head over to the site and sign up. Be sure to complete any identity verification steps. They're important for security. Once you're all set up, you'll need to deposit your XRP into your exchange wallet. Go to the deposit section and find the XRP deposit address. Copy this address and use it to send your XRP from your personal wallet or wherever you store your XRP. Now that your XRP is in your exchange account, navigate to the trading section. Look for the XRP BTC trading pair. This is where you'll make the magic happen. You have two options. Place a market order to convert your XRP to Bitcoin at the current market price, or set a limit order to convert at a specific price you prefer. Once your order is executed, the equivalent amount of Bitcoin will appear in your wallet. Congrats! You've successfully swapped XRP for Bitcoin. From here, you can hold on to your Bitcoin, withdraw it to another wallet, or trade it further on the exchange. The choice is yours. All right, that's it. Happy trading, and remember to always stay safe out there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. See you next time.